From the Campbell Cove Campground in Ohio, Logan, Ohio, near Hocking Hills. So we're going to do a
walk around.
We're going to do a walk around of the campground and show you. So 1 out of 5, or say 0 out of 10 stars, what would you give this place?
I would say a 8.5
8.5.
because they don't have washer and dryer.
Okay, but they're getting one.
They're getting one. And they need closer trash cans to this area because you have to go across the road to get to the trash.
Yeah, you got to go
and this
over
trash
there.
can up here is always full.
Always full. Go over there to do the trash. So, but they do pick it up. You leave it out and they pick it up. But we're ones to take the stuff. But you know, don't take our word for it. Google on Google reviews, I think it was what, 4.8 out of 5.
Yeah.
So really good. But we're going. So one of the big attractions here, there's only 2 in America, Wormburner Golf. Melanie and I have played it twice. It's pretty fun. It's like an adult putt-putt, but the rough is mowed at, I think, 2.5 inches. And in the rough, did I just say rough? But anyway, there's 18 holes. Very cool. So this is the upper part of the campground. I would imagine there's probably about, what, 25 sites up here. Each one of these sites are level. Each one of these sites also have a concrete pad with a picnic table. Ours doesn't have a grill, which is one of the things that ours doesn't. But you can see our site right there.
It does have a grill. It's
It
right
does.
there.
Oh, it does have a grill. Never mind. All these sites have a grill. Water, sewer, everything you need. But they're all really I think the middle ones are pulled through and everything else is back in. So we're entering the camping section. Not the camping section, the tent
and cabin rentals.
And cabin rentals. Yeah, so the bathrooms, we'll check and see how clean these are. But if you can see up right there is where the main station is. Both these are men's and women's. Okay, so shower, bathroom, everything looks pretty clean.
Have an outdoor sink area.
Yeah, so if you're cleaning your fish or whatever that you catch,
or if you're washing your dishes.
Yep. We've noticed this area right here, I will say 70, what is it, 277, all the way around to here. So all these spots in the corner get shade really quick. Is that a true statement?
Yes.
This side you have a swimming area.
She would love to get in that boat or not, Heather.
No, we're not gonna let her in it. Swimming area and a fishing area. We've seen quite a few people swimming in here and quite a few people fishing in here.
No dogs.
No dogs in swimming area. Stay right there. This is pretty cool. So you can see the sand, see how cold it is. It's not too bad. Good morning, or good morning. Why are you laughing at me?
Because he just said good morning to some people, and it is 6:35 in the evening.
Now, if I was doing tent camping, I think this section would be the one that I would stay in.
Just because you got a prettier view of the lake.
Yeah, you got a prettier view of the lake. So, you do have pickleball. Melanie's still cracking up because I told those people good morning. Didn't mean to. This is.
It was like when you said it, I thought, well, what time of day is it?
The only thing wrong with that pickleball court, it doesn't have nets. But even these sites are pull through and you still have a nice pad. You know, honestly, look at these. You've got more of a yard. So would you say these are more permanent?
Yes.
Because they have things like porches. Melanie said that one reminded her of like the beach. And all these do, I mean, they do have a beachy vibe. It's in an old Avion by Fleetwood camper. And as you can see here, you have iced coffee, hot coffee, non-coffee, snacks with chicken salad, wraps, bagels, pastries. We both got bagels this morning, and the Oasis Smoky. Mocha. Oh my word. You have lots. Yes, I did. Yeah. So anyway, it's called the Oasis Coffee Shop. You do have a drive-through on the back side, but that is one really cool perk about this place. You can just walk and go get your coffee or your bagel and muffin. I'll say magel. Your magel and muffin. Melanie and I were looking. We don't see any sewer hookups, so do your research on 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, and 90, all the way to 90. Do your research on those because I don't think they have sewer hookups. So this is what you got in the front. They got yard art for sale. So me and do have to film the ice cream.
Yeah, I can get you fast.
So as you come around to the side of this, you've got the bathhouses, or yeah, the bathhouse in there, which is a few, I want to say 3 or 4 bathrooms and showers. In here you got a cool little game room. So on a rainy day when the kids want to play, put them in here. The jump pad is really a big hit with the kids. You know, jump pad, playground, and manicured is beautiful. You have your cornhole boards, your cornhole bags, your ping pong tables.